Hi guys, so today I just wanted to do a small demonstration of a tool called ILEY. It's a image editing and generation tool that you can use for product designs and everything. And today I'm just going to do a simple demonstration of Anthropic or Claude swag. So how you can like create swags for Anthropic. So um, we do have a pool of images that you can choose from, but for example for our use case maybe you might need like a white bag or something. So I'll just type like white bag and search. So you can see we do have plenty of white bags, so maybe you can just choose this one. So you see the image will be tagged, and after that maybe you have the logo somewhere. I remember I downloaded Anthropic logo, so it's in my download, so you can just drag and drop it here. So the after submission of the logo will appear among the images you can see here. So I can now just tag what any of the images. So I can say like brand, let's say A1, so it will tag A1 with the logo from let's say A2. So with that very simple prompt, I assure you that the logo will be branded to that bag. So let's see the results. So you can see it is generating the image. So this specifically, while it is generating, can be used by product designers and many other people who have lots of use cases around this same thing. So you can just have a picture of your product, a very good picture of your product. You can come onto the platform and search for different images that your product can be used. So you can see here the design has been applied, and it is like you wouldn't know it, like it's very well branded onto the product. So if you're a drop shipper, if you have any use cases for product design, you can just use the platform for those particular use cases. Thank you. And